This is Brittany with WTI sharing the lip balm that I can no longer live without. Okay, so this is in my life now, the LANEIGE Lip Glowy Balm. This stuff is so fantastic, especially if you love their lip mask, you're gonna go nuts over this balm, okay? So this is the berry flavor. I already have it on, and then here, let me show you a little action. It comes out with the little squeeze. So smooth, it applies so smooth and glossy. It is not sticky, which is fantastic. You can see it has a little slight tint, a little bit of a berry tint, and the smell is so good. It smells like strawberry. I try not to lick my lips, so I can't tell you what it tastes like, but it is so good. I absolutely love it. Hydrates my lips, gives me a good shine without the sticky. It is so fantastic, and I especially love that it does have a slight tint to it, so I feel like I have a little something on without being overdone or over the top. It is my absolute new obsession. I think you're gonna absolutely love this as well, and that's my point of view.